In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger application not opening and fix this error called "this page is not available right now." After opening your Messenger application, it will start to load very long time. After loading, you will get this message, "Page isn't available right now." Let's fix this error. To start, close your Messenger application. Then take a long press on your Messenger application. Then select App Info in the pop-up window. After that, you have to select Storage and Cache. If you can't find, I will show the long method. Swipe up, then open Settings. Here, there is another category called Application Apps or Apps Manager. Here, open Apps. After, if you check all your application, you can see your Messenger application within the list. Scroll down like that, you can select Messenger application. After select the third option, Storage and Cache. Now you have to clear both storage and cache memory. Once you clear the storage, it will automatically clear the cache memory too. It is not, you have to clear it manually. So I will clear my storage like this. Then I will tap delete in the pop-up window. You can see once it is clear my storage, it is automatically cleared my cache memory too. After that, you can close the settings. After clearing data and cache memory, open your Play Store or App Store application. Here, I will open my Play Store application. Then type and search Messenger in the search bar. Then you can see this update button next to your application. Here, hit that update button or go to your application. Now tap update. After updating your application, close the Play Store App Store application. Then open your Messenger application. Once you open it, you can see it is loading. Then we'll get this login interface. Even after all these things, still your application is not working or it's still not opening. Now you have to restart your device. You can restart manually or you can scroll down. Again, scroll down to get the full view. Now tap the power button in the bottom right corner. In the pop-up window, select Restart. Then your device will be restarted. After restarting, when you open your application, it should work perfectly. So these are the three possible options. The first one, you can clear the data and cache of the application. After that, it should be work. If it is not, you can up-to-date your application. Even after updating your application, it is not working, you can move to the third option, you can restart your device. After restarting your device, when you open your application, it should work perfectly. That's how to fix this "page is not available" error. That's it. Later.